Hi guys, in this video we'll be talking about how to mint your BAB tokens by Binance. This video is brought to you by VMorgan Tech. My name is VMorgan, and on this channel we'll talk about cryptocurrency, DeFi, AIRDROP, testnets, and everything you need to do to make money in the crypto space. Many things actually. Let's dive right in. Over here I have a guide. The link is going to be somewhere in this video, but you have to find it. But yeah, when you find it, you're going to use all of these links in the video. The video is also timestamped, so if you know you've gone through any of these processes before, you can skip to the next. Well, in this video, we are going to cover how you can free mint your BAB tokens. We're also going to cover how you can get a free mint from a free mint with raffle. We are going to also cover how to claim gifts and exclusive basking and NFT reward in bigger cities. And then we are going to talk about iZUMi finance. I'm excited about this one, so stick with me to that one. Now, first of all, what is BAB? Binance account BAB tokens are credentials for Binance users that have passed KYC, and it's a type of soul-bound tokens. Now, soul-bound tokens are digital identities that represent the traits, feature, and achievements that makes up a person or entity. All right. More information about that can be learned later. Well, this is Binance right here, and over there, your mobile phone, you have Binance. First thing to do is to sign up using this link in this form. Link is going to be somewhere in this video. Yeah. So you're just going to come over to Binance, and then if you're on your mobile device, you're going to find the guide here for your mobile phone. You're going to say open app, click more, click on gifts and campaign, and then BABT. Okay, that's BAB token. But on your desktop, you're just going to go over to this point over here and go to BABT. All right. What you're going to need is you're going to need MetaMask. So if you don't have MetaMask, you can use the link in the video description to add MetaMask to your browser, and you'll be good to go. You're going to also need to fund your account with at least $10 worth of BNB or $12 worth of BNB. That's because we are going to be using that with iZUMi Finance. Okay. Now back to BAB. Okay, as you can see, it says verify your identity. The first thing is, if you're a new user, make sure you're verified on Binance. You're going to need your government ID card or your passport or whatsoever to verify your identity. Once that is done, you just come over and then you connect wallet. So I'm going to connect to a wallet that supports Binance Smart Chain. I'm going to use MetaMask. Like I've said, if you don't have MetaMask, do well to um, install. Okay, add MetaMask to your browser extension. Right, so I'm just going to connect to my account, and as you can see, this is connected. I'm going to sign a message, and that's going to happen on MetaMask. All right, very good. You can sign that, and then the next is for me to get BAB token. Now I'm going to tap on get BAB token, and note you're going to be charged $1 BUSD. Make sure you have your account funded with at least one BUSD, and then you confirm. Okay, so as you can see, transaction submitted, and okay, that's good to go. As you can see, mint is in progress. Okay. um all right, very good. You can see my BAT has been minted. You can see I have a number here, 543,000. It's been issued to my wallet and all of that. You can check it out. You can check out the contract address and etc. So that's done and dusted. Now, what you need to do is, when you are going to interact with Apeswap and bigger cities, you are going to have to use the same wallet where you got your BAB tokens. So first, let's go over to Apeswap. Now, Apeswap, what you're going to do, Apeswap is proud to be one of the first platforms to add support for Binance BAB token at its launch. Okay. Now, number one, you're going to mint the BAB token, which we've done already. So they're going to use to claim the raffle NFT, and number three is like good luck. You are now partnering with the raffle and all of that. So it's very easy. All you need to do is to connect your wallet, and you're going to choose MetaMask. Um, there are other wallets you can use actually. You can use Trust wallets too. So you just do what works for you. All right, next to connect wallet, then connect wallet. Wallet connected now to Apeswap. Um, so as you can see, Mint. I'm going to tap on Mint over here, and it's only showing me Mint because it's verified that I already have the BAB token. Well, as you can see, I'm going to have to pay a little bit of fee in BNB. I'm going to confirm that. Let me check if this transaction is completed. Okay, the mint is still pending right now. Okay, transaction completed. So if I go back to Apeswap, all right, this is minted already. This is minted already. The next is to go over to Burger City, and on Burger City, um, all right, as you can see, this I'm going to start the game, and then I'm going to connect to the same wallet that has my BAB token. All right, sign this. All right, so it wants me to select a character over here. I'm going to select this angry guy, and then I'm going to insert the character name, and that's VMorgan, and then I don't have an invitation code, so I'm just going to skip that. But yes, you can use my invitation code right in the video description to support this channel. Um, let's just see how it goes. All right, so let's go. So this is what to do when you are on Burger City. I'll just next this and next that. I love that. Minimap on. This is what you do when you're on Burger City. You find this BAB gift at the top here. So what you're going to do is you're going to tap that, and then you're going to receive this gift item. Okay, as you can see, congratulations, I have received this. As you can see, it's for the BAB holder gift. So I'm going to also receive this one too, and then I'm going to confirm this on MetaMask. Alright, so as you can see, I'm going to pay a gas fee, and I'm going to confirm that. Alright, as you can see, congratulations, I've minted this NFT. So I got two gift items and I got an NFT. Once that's done, you're good to go. You can feel free to explore the burger cities, okay? And just, I'm sure there's a lot more NFTs to win from this. So feel free to explore this burger city. Alright, the next on our list is iZUMi Finance, and as you can see, iZUMi Finance is giving away an oath to people that have bad tokens. Okay, now here's the token allocation, here's their tokenomics. We have 10% for partnership, 15 for private round, and then we have actually 1% for airdrop. Okay, we are hopeful that it's part of this. So here's what to do: you connect to Galxe.com slash iZUMi Finance. Well, this is it over here. If you're a new user, you're going to have to verify your Twitter account and your Discord and all of that. So as you can see, it says I've already joined the Discord, and I've joined the Twitter. All I need to do is to verify my BAB tokens now, so which I'm going to do right now. Then it says use limit order function. Okay, this will be updated soon actually. Okay, this will be updated soon. All right, so when this is updated, this is going to be activated. But for this, it says use the limit order function. Now for that, you're going to use the link in this form here, which is the iZUMi Finance trade. Come over there, and then you're on iZUMi Finance. Here's what you're going to have to do. You're going to have to place a limit order on BNB to easy. Okay. So for this, I'm going to use 0.05. I think that's what, around $15 here. And then you come over to this part and then you tap on market price. As you can see, this is the market price. So right now I'm going to add that, and I'm going to have to confirm that on my MetaMask. So as you can see, this is the fee. Confirm. All right, as you can see, it is successfully done. So if you check my orders, you're going to see my limit order over here, and I think this is some kind of reward or something I get to claim, easy rewards or something, and then I can cancel. I've successfully placed a limit order on iZUMi Finance, sorry. And then so I'm just going to go back to Galxe, and then I'm going to verify this one. I don't know if it's automatically updated. All right, so it takes time for it to be updated. So as soon as you do that, just wait it out, and you find out that both of them, the limit order function and the BAB token, are successfully verified. Now you can claim this hot. Well, that's it, guys. That's all of it. So do well to smash the subscribe button and stay with VMorgan for more of this content. Cheers, guys. Bye.